Hi everyone, this is Nicole Diedrich with Diedrich Marketing Strategies. We are at it again with an awesome tip video. Today I'm chatting about the most common question that I get asked, which is why should I be posting consistently online? Why is that going to help me? What should I be doing to help my social media grow? I think I'm doing it all already. Most of that has to do, sorry, here's my puppy, she's coming in for part of the video, but most of this has to do with you guys making sure that we are staying visible to our target audience, right? Consistency is what people need in our lives. It actually helps make us feel safer. It helps make our customers and clients feel safer. And that's a term that I haven't used very often, but it's so true, okay? Routine, consistency, actually helps our clients and customers take that journey to where they will buy into us, okay? So if we're not consistent, if we're not consistently showing up, being the leader and expert that we are in our businesses, people lose that type of understanding, right? They're like, I don't know. Do they know what they're talking about? Because they're not being consistent. And I need that from them to feel safe, right? Safe to invest. So consistency on your social media is not only going to help you guys to grow, but it's going to help build your foundation of your business. It's going to build the expertise. It's going to build those in your space to understand that you're a leader in that space, that you know what you're talking about, and that they can refer people to you. So if you aren't being consistent right now with your social media, that's okay, okay? All of us start there at one point or another. Whether we're consistent when we first start our business, then we get busy. It happens to all of us. So if you guys are needing any support in that realm, you know who to contact. We are here to support you. I have a full team and staff are ready to kind of take that off of your guys' hands so you no longer have to stress about content. You no longer have to stress about scheduling or coming up with copy that's going to work with your customer and clientele. So if you'd like support with that, if you're interested in learning more tips as well, or just would like a consultation call, I offer free 30-minute consultation calls to help support you guys on your journey. Thank you all so much for tuning in today, and I will chat with all of you soon. Bye.